Hello everyone, this is a short review of the Island Watch Sapphire Crystal for the Seiko Presage lineup. This is a Seiko Presage Cocktail Time Blue Moon, also known as the SRPB41J1. And I think it's a very pretty timepiece, but the only thing I don't like about it is that it comes with a Hardlex glass or Hardlex crystal, and it's essentially like a proprietary type of plastic that Seiko makes, and according to the website it's scratch resistant and very clear and all that good stuff. But in practice I had it scratched up pretty bad after a week or two of regular use, and this is where I have it. I'll shine a little flashlight on it, and as you can see, there's plenty of scratches there. See if I can make this a little bit more clear. Yeah, so some pretty nasty scratches there on the edge as well, and it's especially likely to happen since this is a box crystal. As you can see, it kind of stands up. It has some height to it, so you're gonna bump into things inevitably. And yeah, this stuff is unfortunately not scratch resistant at all, and it also, like, it feels like plastic as well. But there's this company in New York that makes sapphire crystals for this watch, and they're called Island Watches. I'll put a link in the description, and they can put it on for you. And since I don't live in New York, I ordered one and had it sent to the watch repair shop, and they put it on for me, and here's the result. And it's brand new, so I haven't really put it to the test yet. Clarity of it is absolutely brilliant, and it looks better than it originally did at this point, and they really got the shape right as well. It still has the same box crystal shape to it, and I'm very happy with it. And unless this will also scratch and get damaged, which I think is unlikely because it's sapphire, and sapphire doesn't do that. It generally shatters before it scratches, and you have to really put some serious abuse on it before that happens. So yeah, I would say a very worthy upgrade to a very pretty watch. Very happy with it. So thank you, Island Watch, for a good product. The cost of the crystal was $100, and to get it serviced it was around 50 euros. So yes, it's about 150 euros or dollars to get this modification done, but I feel like it's worth it, as the scratched crystal was very annoying to me, and now I don't have that annoyance anymore. It's a gorgeous watch that now has the crystal on it that it deserves. I really think Seiko should just ask a little bit more money for this watch and put a proper sapphire crystal on it. And by the way, this is not a watch channel. This is just I just put stuff on here that I find interesting and that I like. But I also have a podcast, so check out all the videos on my channel, and there is probably something there that you'll find interesting. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.